Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the index function in Microsoft Excel. Now first, what is the index function? Index function is used to determine the value that is located on a specific cell by entering coordinates for a table, meaning that you have to enter a certain row and column. It would most certainly return a value located on that location that you indicated. Let's go ahead and show an example. For the first question, it is asking us for the data that is located at row 2, column 3. To use the index function, we have to type in the index formula. For the first term, it is asking us for an array or reference. Let's go ahead and select the data that we have on the screen. Next, by using the comma, we are going to proceed to the second term. As for the row number, it is asking us what row we are looking for. Since the question is asking row 2, let's go ahead and type 2. For the third term, which is column num, it is asking us which column to use. Since the question is looking for column 3, let's go ahead and put 3. And close parentheses, enter. So in row 2 of the table we selected, which is this one, it is located on row 5 on our spreadsheet. As for the third column, from left to right, let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. 349. It should show up 349. There we have it. For the second question, let's repeat the index formula. Index, select the array or the reference, the row number, which is 12, and the column number, which is 1. And there we go, it's showing up 2023. For example, if you are being asked for a data that looks like it's not within the array that we selected, this is what Excel would show us. Select the data, comma, the row, which is row 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's asking us for column 4, which is not present. Since we only have 3 columns, this is what Excel would show us. This is an error for reference, as the reference that we selected does not include the 4th column. Now that's done, go ahead and try this function for yourself. And this is how we use the index function in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.